Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you are searching for latest software jobs and internship, then today's video is packed with opportunities you definitely should not miss. Today I'm going to share three exciting openings. The first one is a hybrid junior developer role at Evolent from a healthcare technology company. Second one is a junior developer role with around 100 openings. Make it one of the best opportunity in today's video. And finally, we will look at a software development internship. From this internship, you may receive a full-time job offer too. If you are a fresher or student looking for software development opportunities, make sure to watch this video till the end because all three opportunities target early career candidates. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. The first opening is from Evolent for the role of junior developer. The job location is Pune or Bangalore and the work mode is hybrid, which means you will get a combination of office and remote work depending on the team's schedule. This position follows a night shift schedule with working hours from 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. If you are comfortable with rotational shift or night shift, this is a great opportunity to enter a well-established product-based company. Talking about the company, Evolent develops healthcare technology solutions that help hospitals, insurance providers, and healthcare organizations improve patient care using software, automation, and data driven systems. Now, let's look at your responsibilities. As a junior developer, you will develop, test, debug, and support software applications based on business requirements. You will also work on automation projects and help document technical implementations so that systems remains easy to maintain. Another important responsibility involves troubleshooting issues in both production and non-production environments. You will participate in production support activities and developer on-call rotations whenever required. Along with development work, you will collaborate closely with senior engineers, communicate project progress, manage multiple development tasks, and continuously improve your understanding of software architecture, programming concepts, and software design principles. Coming to the required skills, Evolent is looking for candidates with programming fundamentals and knowledge of languages such as Python, Java, C, C++, C Sharp, .NET, or VB. Strong debugging skills, problem solving abilities, technical documentation, time management, and teamwork is also important. The company has also listed several bonus skills including UiPath, Power Automate, Power BI, MongoDB, Tableau, Snowflake, Playwright, Selenium, and Postman. You don't need to learn every single technology mentioned here. Having a strong foundation in programming and willingness to learn is usually more important for fresher roles. This opening is open for candidates with a bachelor's degree. If you are comfortable working hybrid and in night shift, this is the good opportunity. Now let's move on to the second opportunity, and this one is from Creative Hands HR for the role of junior developer. The biggest highlight here is the number of openings. The company has announced 100 vacancies, making it one of the largest fresher hiring drives currently available. The job locations include Bangalore, Chennai, and Hyderabad. Now, while the package may not be highest, this opportunity can be valuable for fresh graduates who are looking to enter software industry and build practical development experience. The selected candidates will work on SaaS and iPaaS applications development using modern JavaScript technologies. Your responsibilities will include developing software using JavaScript and server-side technologies, supporting development teams by investigating software issues, proposing technical improvements, building responsive interfaces using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, writing unit tests, designing database schemas, and collaborating with engineers throughout the complete software development lifecycle. Coming to the required skills, the company is looking for JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, jQuery, database design, problem solving ability, additional knowledge of Angular, TypeScript, Java, PHP, Python, front-end development, or web development will give you an extra advantage. Since there are many openings, your chances of getting shortlisted are naturally much better compared to the other companies hiring only one or two candidates. So, if you are actively searching for your first software job, don't ignore this opportunity. Now let's move on to the third and final opportunity of today's video. This one is from ShopMyUniform for the role of Software Developer Intern. The internship location is Hyderabad. The duration is 6 months and selected candidates will receive a monthly stipend between 10 to 15,000 rupees per month. There are two openings available. One of the biggest highlight of this internship is that The company specifically mentions both a job offer opportunity and a pre placement offer, which means high performing interns may receive a full time software engineering role after completing this internship. Now, let's talk about what you will actually do in this role. Unlike many internships where students only perform basic development tasks, this internship gives exposure to AI and ML as well. You will develop and maintain software applications that integrate AI and ML features. You will collaborate with senior developers to build new functionalities, participate in code reviews, improve software quality, debug applications, optimize performance, and research AI and research and machine learning algorithms. You will also work closely with product managers and designers to understand user requirements before implementing new software features. Coming to the required skills, the company expects candidates to have software development fundamentals, knowledge of AI ML, debugging ability, code review participation, problem solving, and teamwork. So, the specific tech stack is not mentioned here. That means you will be aligned to a project based on your tech stack. So, make sure to demonstrate your skill set in your project in your resume. This internship is open for undergraduate, postgraduate, and engineering students. If you are someone interested in entering AI development while being as a software engineer, this internship offers a very good learning opportunity. Apart from the monthly stipend, you will also receive mentorship and possibility of securing a full-time role through the company's PPO program. So yeah guys, these were the three opportunities. If you are looking for a full-time fresher role in a healthcare technology company as a junior developer, then go for the first one and make sure to remember that it follows a hybrid work model with a night shift or rotational. And if you are more into software development, then go for the second or third opportunity. Before ending this video, here's something important piece of advice. Many students keep applying because they think they don't meet every single skill set mentioned in the job description. But please don't make that mistake. Company usually lists their ideal candidate, but they know freshers are still learning. And if you cover most of the skill set in the job description, and if you cover most of important of them, then make sure to apply and do not think they have mentioned 3 to 4 tech stacks. They pick a candidate based on the project requirements for their company because in a company they build softwares for other companies which requires other tech stacks too. So according to your tech stack, they will align a project to you. And also I would like to say is that make your profile highlight by adding a lead code profile, solve DSA problems on lead code, and also optimize your GitHub projects and stay active on LinkedIn. These small improvements make a huge difference during the interviews. If this video helped you discover useful fresher opportunities, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends who are also searching software jobs and internships. And if you want any particular job opportunity update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.